Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Get Emails for consulting. Get Emails is the world's first email-based retargeting solution built for consulting businesses. It's the proven solution for marketers looking to grow consulting revenue by sending real-time abandonment emails to anonymous users. Connect your anonymous website visitors to real people. Safely retarget them with email through real-time, one-to-one, fully compliant interactions. Email is the most important marketing channel at your disposal. The return on investment outpaces many other marketing touchpoints, and email's versatility means you can use it for brand awareness, lead gen, nurturing conversion, and more. An email list is more than a database of your contacts. It's a list of subscribers eagerly awaiting your next move. Top earning consultants know. 91% of people check their emails daily. Email marketing scores higher conversion rates than searches and social media combined. Emails deliver a $4 to $2 return on investment, ROI, for every dollar spent. There's no other tool that allows you to stay in touch with your existing clients and potential leads, drive sales, and improve your customer loyalty, all at the same time. Sign up free for Get Emails and lower your cost per lead by 90%. Get a Get Emails account for free today, and you'll start thinking about how you ever survived without them. Connect your anonymous website visitors to real people. Safely retarget them with email through real-time, one-to-one, fully compliant interactions, all the tools you need in one platform without having to duct tape multiple platforms together. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Get Emails and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.